mention how a few tweaks in your outfit can really elevate your look. Something as simple as scuffing your sleeve, if not done right, can make the overall look shabby. So, here are 3 simple cuffs which I promise will not take you more than a few extra seconds in the morning. This is one of the easier options. Simply fold your sleeves 2 to 3 times, but make sure that you fold them evenly on each roll. This one's a less bulkier version of the classic roll. Just fold the sleeve all the way up to your elbow. Tug at the lower end to get rid of the creases. Now, take the bottom of the sleeve and roll it up again, this time hiding the cuff. Fold the shirt halfway up. Roll it again to cover the seam of the cuff. Now, roll it up one more time and tug on the corner of the cuff so that it sticks out. There you have it. Pretty simple, right? Comment down below on what you thought. And for more styling tips like these, tune into POPxo Fashion. Bye.